Hi there. Welcome to the Value Investing Fundamentals course, brought to you by Wealthy Education. In this course, I'll teach you how to get started in value investing fast. You'll learn exactly what you'll need to do when evaluating a company and what you'll need to look for when picking a stock to invest in. So if you're just starting out, or you're looking to learn value investing fast so you can start growing your retirement funds or portfolio more quickly, this is the course for you. Here's exactly what you'll learn in this course. In this course, we'll provide you with a strong value investing foundation. I'll teach you 3 easy, simple steps that you can follow to find and invest profitably in value stocks. You'll learn exactly how to assess a company by looking at 3 different types of value. This is critical because most investors only look at 1 or hopefully 2 when evaluating a company that they want to invest in. And that's why they end up buying a cheap stock at a much higher price. You'll also learn how to use a margin of safety to significantly reduce risks on your investments and correct all the mistakes you might make in your valuation process. I'll also teach you 7 golden value investing principles that every stock investor should live by. And in the last module, we'll also talk about 5 different things you can follow to identify if a company has a sustainable competitive advantage, so it can compete with other companies within the same industry. And we'll also make a complete value investing roadmap for you so you know exactly what you need to do now and what you'll need to do next. You'll know exactly your next steps and what you'll need to learn to become a successful value investor.